In today's fast-paced world, finding healthy and convenient meal options can feel like a constant struggle. Enter the smoothie, a nutritional powerhouse disguised as a delicious treat. Whether you're a seasoned smoothie enthusiast or just starting your blending journey, this comprehensive guide will unlock the secrets to creating simple yet balanced smoothies that nourish your body and tantalize your taste buds. We'll answer your burning questions, from what's the simplest way to make a basic smoothie, to what are the essential ingredients for a balanced smoothie, and provide you with the knowledge and inspiration to blend your way to wellness. What's the simplest way to make a basic smoothie? Let's face it, sometimes we need quick, easy, and delicious. The good news is that making a basic smoothie is incredibly simple. You don't need a fancy blender or a long list of obscure ingredients. Here's the most straightforward approach. 1. Gather your ingredients. For a truly basic smoothie, you'll need a liquid base, some fruit, fresh or frozen, and ice. 2. Combine in a blender. Add your chosen liquid, water, milk, juice, etc., to the blender first, followed by your fruit and ice. 2. This order helps ensure a smooth blend. 3. Blend until smooth. Start on a low setting and gradually increase the speed until your smoothie is completely blended and creamy. 4. Enjoy immediately. Freshly made smoothies are at their peak flavor and nutritional value. Essential ingredients for a balanced smoothie. While a basic smoothie can be delicious, a balanced smoothie is where the real magic happens. It's about creating a concoction that not only tastes great but also provides your body with the nutrients it needs. Here are the essential components of a balanced smoothie. 1. Liquid base. This forms the foundation of your smoothie. 1. Options include water, the simplest and most hydrating choice. Milk, dairy or non-dairy, adds creaminess and can provide calcium and vitamin D, for dairy, or other nutrients depending on the type of non-dairy milk, almond, soy, oat, coconut, etc. Be mindful of added sugars in some non-dairy milks. Juice, 100% fruit, provides flavor and vitamins, but can also be high in sugar. Use in moderation and choose 100% juice options. Coconut water, a hydrating and electrolyte-rich option. Green tea, adds antioxidants and a subtle flavor. Fruits, the star of many smoothies, fruits provide sweetness, flavor, vitamins, and fiber. Consider berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, packed with antioxidants and fiber, and generally lower in sugar than other fruits. Bananas, add creaminess and potassium. Mangoes, offer a tropical flavor and vitamin C. Pineapple, contains bromelain, which may aid digestion. Avocado, yes, it's a fruit, provides healthy fats and creaminess. Peaches, plums, nectarines, seasonal favorites with vitamins and fiber. Apples and pears, good sources of fiber. 3. Vegetables. Don't shy away from adding veggies to your smoothies. 3. They boost the nutritional content without drastically altering the flavor. 3. Excellent choices include spinach, mild flavor and packed with vitamins and minerals. Kale, a nutritional powerhouse but can have a stronger flavor. Start with small amounts. Cucumber, hydrating and refreshing. Carrots. Add sweetness and beta-carotene. Beets. Offer a vibrant color and potential performance-enhancing benefits. Protein. Crucial for satiety and muscle building. Protein sources in smoothies can include Greek yogurt, plain, non-fat, a protein and calcium powerhouse, also provides probiotics. Protein powder, whey, plant-based, a convenient way to boost protein intake. Nuts and seeds. Add protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Nut butters, almond, peanut, etc. provides protein and healthy fats, but watch portion sizes. Tofu, silken, a plant-based protein option that blends smoothly. Healthy fats, essential for hormone production, nutrient absorption, and satiety. Incorporate. Avocado. As mentioned before, it's a great source of healthy fats. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, etc. Nut butters, almond butter, peanut butter, etc. Fiber. Promotes digestive health and helps you feel full longer. You'll get fiber from fruits and vegetables, but you can also add chia seeds. Absorb liquid and create a pudding-like texture. Flax seeds. Add a nutty flavor and omega-3s. Oats, rolled, can thicken your smoothie and provide sustained energy. 7. Superfoods, optional. These nutrient-dense ingredients can provide extra benefits. Spirulina, a blue-green algae with protein and vitamins. Maca powder, may boost energy levels. Cacao powder, adds a chocolatey flavor and antioxidants. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. 8. Sweeteners, natural and used sparingly. If your smoothie needs a little extra sweetness, opt for natural sources. Dates, provide sweetness and fiber. Honey, use in moderation. Maple syrup, another natural option, but use sparingly. Ice, adds thickness and coolness to your smoothie. Creating your perfect smoothie. Tips and tricks. Balance is key. Aim for a combination of fruits, vegetables, protein, healthy fats, and fiber in each smoothie. 2. Start simple. If you're new to smoothie making, begin with a basic recipe and gradually add more ingredients as you become more comfortable. Frozen fruit is your friend. Frozen fruit adds thickness and eliminates the need for as much ice. 4. Layer ingredients strategically. Add liquids first, followed by softer ingredients, then harder ingredients like ice and frozen fruit. 4. This helps your blender work efficiently. 5. Don't overblend. Blending for too long can heat up your smoothie and diminish some of the nutrients. 6. Taste and adjust. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredient combinations and adjust the sweetness or thickness to your liking. 7. Prep ahead. You can chop fruits and vegetables and store them in the freezer for easy smoothie making. 7. You can even pre-portion dry ingredients like nuts, seeds, and protein powder into bags or containers for a grab-and-go approach. 8. Invest in a good blender. A high-powered blender will make smoother smoothies, especially if you're using frozen ingredients or tough greens. Smoothie recipes to get you started. Here are a few smoothie recipes to inspire you. 1. Green detox smoothie. Spinach, cucumber, apple, ginger, water. 2. Berry blast smoothie. Mixed berries, banana, almond milk, chia seeds. 3. Peanut butter power smoothie. Banana, peanut butter, protein powder, almond milk. 4. Tropical green smoothie. Mango, pineapple, kale, coconut water. 5. Chocolate avocado smoothie. Avocado, cacao powder, banana, almond milk. Beyond the basics. Smoothie variations and uses. Smoothies are incredibly versatile. They can be used for 1. Breakfast. A quick and nutritious way to start your day. 2. Lunch. A light and refreshing meal replacement. 3. Snack. A healthy alternative to processed snacks. Post-workout recovery. Provides protein and carbohydrates to replenish energy stores. Conclusion. Making delicious and balanced smoothies is easier than you think. By understanding the essential components and following these tips, you can create smoothies that not only taste amazing but also nourish your body from the inside out. So, grab your blender, get creative with your ingredient combinations, and blend your way to a healthier and happier you. Remember, the journey to wellness is a delicious one, and smoothies are the perfect vehicle to take you there.